as we go throughout the next several days. Right now, y'all, 80 degrees here in Music City. Yesterday, we got up to 95. Today, I'm forecasting 93 degrees. So even though not as hot, we're continuing with that heat streak. Currently, 16 90-plus degree days in a row so far. And we're going to add 7 to 10 more of that. Over in Murfreesboro, not as hot as the city, but still very warm for this time of year. We're coming in 78 right now. And you can tell we've got quite a bit of cloud cover out there for you. We had some showers and thunderstorms overnight. Those have since moved their way out. We've got this system just to our north that is causing some instability, heavy downpours right along this trough, and that's actually going to spark more of that for us today, alongside the pop-up showers and thunderstorms, that summertime activity. So when you pair the two together, it's looking to be a better opportunity for all of us to have some of that activity. Not widespread washout, but there will be several opportunities for some showers. Right now, temperatures are coming in 75 over into Cookeville, Columbia 76, as well as into Fayetteville, Swanee. Y'all are coming in at 75, along with Tracy City, 76 in Clarksville, Murray, you're at 73. Feels a little warmer in the city. Once you have temperatures that are already starting out in the 80s and you've got dew points that are in the 70s, you don't need the sunshine to feel warmer than that actual number. And that is why we're noticing that here in Nashville right now. Heat advisory not going to be for all of us. Really looking for that heat advisory to start at 11 o'clock today, going through 7 o'clock this evening for Callaway, Trigg, Christian, Todd counties. Why are they in it and the rest of us are not? We're all going to be hot. Do not get me wrong. I mean, afternoon highs will not be face value. They'll feel as if they're closer to the triple-digit mark. But the reason being, we're going to have some rain opportunities for a lot of us, and that will allow the rain-cooled air. With that being said, we do have a slight issue when it comes to the possible for severe weather. Not talking tornadoes or hail, really looking at heavy downpours, localized flooding in some spots, because some of these cells, as you know, over the past few days have put down around 2 inches of rain within a single hour. We even had one cell that produced 3 inches of rain in 1 hour. That's a lot of water, short period of time, standing water conditions. Also some gusty winds associated with it. When it comes to this evening, though, Nashville Sounds, they're going to have first pitch at 6:35. Your Weather Planner Plus giving you more of an in-depth look. If you're going to get out to the game, if obviously we get there a little early, 6 o'clock, 87. Isolated thunderstorm or two, but once that sun sets, temperatures still remain hot into those 80s, but of course, when it comes to the threat for storms, they will diminish. Here's what I'm looking at, though. As we go throughout the day, we're going to have these boundaries riding these showers and storms, so there's not going to be a ton of movement, hence heavy downpours are anticipated. By around 7, 8, 9 p.m., a lot of that is going to be down to our south. It will move out as we head overnight, and we'll have some more opportunities tomorrow. That severe weather risk, very low, not no. It's a 1 out of 5. Your 7-day forecast, highs today 93, 92 tomorrow, scattered showers and storms. Out of Saturday and Sunday, Sunday looks to be a little drier, but we're still not looking at a complete washout for everyone. But we're all going to warm up. Look at this. Next week, highs are going to be mid and upper 90s. Rain chances go down, so we're not looking to have that rain-cooled air to kind of cool our jets a little bit. We're actually going to keep those numbers high. Hence why, Rebecca, some of us could feel closer to 105 to even 110 degrees. Most likely another heat advisory will be